Alright, welcome back everyone. Today is December 13th, Friday. Hope everyone is having a great day. I'm gonna go over yesterday's trading session very quick and discuss about today's trading session, followed by live execution of my trade this morning, which I took exactly in the silver bullet at 10 a.m. This is my live execution of my trade, and I'm gonna explain you very clearly why I took this specific trade and setup I used. And this will also help you understand in the future what specific trading setups I'm looking for going ahead. For viewers, please take some time to navigate through basic futures trading and how it works. Okay, alright. So we saw a market gap down yesterday and moved higher intraday into Wednesday's close over here. Also discussed in the last video after making intraday high in the New York afternoon session. Later market pulled back lower into low of the day at the close here, and yeah, this morning market gapped up almost 200 points. I've been waiting for my code setup to form, which is FVG, also known as fair value gap. Okay, so let me explain you what exactly a fair value gap means. Yeah, so FVG is a 3 candle pattern. So let's take these candles. So let's count. This is one, and the other one is here, and the other one is here. So you see here, first candle, second candle, and third candle. Yeah, so the 3 candle pattern where the middle candle is the most important. The first and the third candle represents the boundary of the pattern, and there should be a distance between 3 ends. So I call this distance between the third and first candle as a fair value gap. Okay, so to use FVG in real time trading, you should follow this chart pattern. Identify a gap from here to here. Now create a midpoint between the first candle from here to the third candle. Now consider this midpoint as a fair value gap midpoint. So now wait for the price to return to retest this gap, which is also a midpoint. And this gap I also called as BC, which means buy side imbalance and sell side inefficiency. So once the retest is at the midpoint, now look for your trade setup. You might be targeting to the short side, or you might be targeting to the long side. So your always stop loss should be the third candle of either direction. So it might be here. So once you enter the trade here, your stop loss should be here. Or when you try to enter the short side or trading to the downside, your stop should be this one here. So this should be your stop loss. And also, according to your preference, set a stop loss just beyond the gap to manage the risk or to risk to reward ratio you are targeting. Now let's get into today's trading session. Alright, so this is the live execution and trade I took this morning in the silver bullet trading session. I went long here on NQ. My stop loss was right below that midpoint, which is also the first presented fair value gap from this morning. And my take profit was 20 points from my entry. There was also an imbalance or an inverse FVG presented on the 1 minute time frame. So I'm looking for the next candle to reclaim about this IFVG. You can see I'm moving my stop higher here so that I manage my risk whenever the price is moving higher from my entry. Always, you have to be nimble in taking profits when starting out. uh, this will help you in the future to manage a great risk to reward ratio. You see, at the first presented fair value gap, retest, and you try to reclaim. I was trying to enter at the first presented fair value gap, but the sell off from highs made me to stay alert when taking the entry. And here I moved my stop right close to the entry. I'm managing my risk here, and there you go, my profit target hit. I'm done for the day here. Alright, thank you everyone taking time to listen to me today, and hope you all have a relaxing weekend. Thank you.